Yes, well, in a statement released last night, they made the announcement of these two deals. We are expecting a bit of an update on this from Prime Minister Scott Morrison a bit later, but it's a $1.7 billion commitment that will ensure priority access to an Oxford University-developed vaccine distributed by AstraZeneca. It's going to be manufactured in Melbourne, potentially 3.8 million doses of that made available in January and February next year. Prime Minister Scott Morrison saying that when a coronavirus vaccine is made available, it will be free for all Australians, but healthcare workers and the vulnerable will be the first to get it. Also included in this deal is a University of Queensland developed vaccine which will be distributed by pharmaceutical company CSL. It's progressing well through trials, but it's a little bit behind the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is currently in phase 3 of trials at the moment, which is the last phase that you have to go through before it potentially gets approved. The federal government also say they're committed to ensuring that neighbouring countries in the Pacific and Southeast Asia will get priority access to the vaccine. But Pete, we have to be careful because last time we were talking about this a few weeks ago, you may remember we had infectious disease experts on the air saying there's still a lot to get through when it comes to a vaccine, and a mid-2021 or even the second half of 2021 is a more realistic target. But Prime Minister Scott Morrison, he says, yes, there are no guarantees, but at least now Australians are at the front of the queue when it comes to two leading vaccine candidates. So more on this developing today.